everybody, welcome back to my channel. Tonight for dinner I'm going to make cream cheese chicken chili. It's a super easy recipe. You just add 3 chicken breasts to the bottom of your crock pot. I already rinsed and drained all my cans to make it a little bit easier. So 1 can of Rotel, 1 can of black beans. I'm going to use small white beans. You can use pinto, pink, navy, any kind of beans. And then 1 can of corn. And then I have 1 onion that I chopped up. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. I make chili powder myself. I have a video coming eventually of all the seasonings blends that I make. I make chili powder, I make burger seasoning, I make taco seasoning, I make ranch seasoning. You need 1 packet of ranch. I make my own. It's 1.5 tablespoons of homemade seasoning, which equals 1 packet of ranch. So 1.5 tablespoons. And then 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. I didn't forget about the cream cheese. You want this to cook until the chicken is all the way done before you add the cream cheese, because the cream cheese is a milk product and it can curdle if it gets too hot, and you don't want a curdly soup. You also need 1 cup of chicken broth. And now we're going to stir this all together. And you're going to let this cook on low for about 6 hours and on high for about 3 to 4 hours. And then you're going to add in your cream cheese. So now we are going to shred up the chicken, and then we're going to add in 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to cut up my cream cheese into cubes. I'll make a video. Now I'm going to stir this, and we're going to put the lid on for about another hour until the cream cheese gets incorporated in there, and then it is ready to go. Smelling really yummy. This is a super simple recipe. I absolutely love it.